Hi students, welcome to today's class. I hope that you are all preparing well for your JEE Mains examination which are going to start from January 15th. So in this video, I am going to explain a very few problems from the chapter definite integration and under the heading inequalities in definite integration. Let us see the first problem. Then we have to prove that 1 by 4 less than or equal to integral 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 2 to the 2 into x to the power of 5 dx less than or equal to 1. So you may ask, sir, that is just like a CBSE problem, board problem, it is given, prove that. Not like that. So in the examination, they will give, here they will put some A and they will put B here, then options will be created. So A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 2. Option 2, A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 3. So like that option C, A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 1, like that they will create the options. Okay, then how to proceed this problem? But for this type of problem, don't find out the value of this integral. Don't find out this value of this integral. Don't try to find out. So we will make use of the properties of definite integrals in the inequalities. Let us first, what I am going to do is first to find out the global maxima and global minima in the interval 0 to 1. The integrand is there, no? 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5. Find out the global maxima and global minima in the interval 0 to 1. So first to take, don't take 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5. First to find out the maxima and minimum value of this denominator. Afterwards, we will write it. So I will proceed like this. So let f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5. Okay now. So for maxima and minima, so what we will take? F dash of x is we will take. So f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 10x to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Okay now. So this is equal to, we can take 2x common outside. So this is 1 into 5x cube is equal to 0. Okay, so this is x is equal to 0 or x cube is equal to minus 1 by 5. This value we can discard. Why? Because we want the values which belongs to the interval 0 to 1. So this is a dx. So here x is called variable of integration. Our variable of integration is from 0 to 1. That's why we can remove this negative value. Okay. So therefore, your maxima or minima will lie between either 0 or 1. Already it is given 0. Okay now. So find out f of 0. What is f of 0? It is 1. Find out f of 1 value. What is f of 1 value? 1, 1, 2. This is equal to 4. That means, so for this, what is the global minimum value? 1. Global maximum value is 4. That means 1 less than or equal to, so your function 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5 less than or equal to 4. So that means its maximum value is 4, minimum value is 1 for all x belongs to closed bracket 0 to 1. Okay now, but we want 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5. So when you are taking reciprocals, we know that 1 by 4, so this will back. So when you take less than or equal to will come, actually greater than will come. If you want to write down less than, just you reverse it. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square plus x to the power of 5. This is less than or equal to 1. So this is the minimum value and this is a maximum value, global maxima and global minima. So in our notation, we take this as a capital M and we take it as a small m and it is your A and it is your B. Understand? So remember the property, once you remember the property, what is the property? So this is small m into B minus A less than or equal to integral A to B f of x dx is less than or equal to big rectangle. So that is a capital M into B minus A. Understand this, right? What is small m? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into B minus A, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 less than or equal to 0 to 1. Your total function that is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2x to the power of 5 dx less than or equal to capital M means global maxima 1 into 1 minus 0. So, this is nothing but your final answer. So, this is equal to 1 by 4 less than or equal to integral 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x square 2x to the power of 5 dx less than or equal to 1. So, hence proved. So, such a type of easy problem. So, we make use of this result here. This result, okay now. So, once you remember, so previous class I explained proof of this property also I proved. So, this is a small rectangle and it is a biggest rectangle. This is the area under the it lies between maximum big rectangle and a small rectangle, okay. So, very nice problem. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to this second problem. Prove that 1 by 2 less than or equal to integral 0 to 1 by 2 1 upon root of 1 minus x power 2n dx less than or equal to pi by 6 for n greater than or equal to 1. So, in your examinations, in this place A will be given, in this place B will be given, the options will be created. Okay. So, to do this some problems, you have to remember some results. What is that result is? So, here we have one a very interesting result. So, if here minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. If x lies between minus and 1, so we have 1 is greater than or equal to root of 1 minus x power 2n. It is greater than or equal to root of 1 minus x square whenever n is greater than or equal to 1. So, we have the result here. 1 is greater than equal to root of 1 minus x power 2n greater than or equal to root of 1 minus x square. Sir, how can we get, sir? Let us, you can check for between minus 1 to 1. You put any value, the inequality will be satisfied. For example, if you take put x is equal to 1 by 2. So, what happens here? So, if you put 1 by 2 here, 1 by 4. So, 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. So, root 3 by 2. Here what we will get? This is 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2, say here n greater than or equal to 1. So, greater than or equal to means again if you take n is equal to 2, you can take. So, if n is equal to 2, if you taking here 2 into 2, 4. That means x to the power of 4 you can take. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 by 16. That means 15 by 16. Something value greater than that value. Okay now, right. So, from this we have the inequality type. So, this is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square less than or equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x power 2n less than or equal to 1. Understand this? So, this is inequality. So, I have taken the reciprocal. Okay now. So, after taking the reciprocals, now see here from 0 to 1 by 2. So, let us integrate from 0 to 1 by 2. Let us see what happens. Now, this is the result we have. Now, what I am going to do is, now we want the reciprocal, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x to the power of 2n. Reciprocal of this we want. So, to find out the reciprocals, let us take reciprocals 1 less than or equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x power 2n less than or equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Yes, when you are taking the reciprocals, greater than will become less than or equal to. Afterwards, apply this 0 to 1 by 2 integrals. Let us see what happens. See here, you may ask one doubt, sir, this is result valid for minus 1 to 1, but our interval is 0 to 1 by 2. So, here 0 to 1 by 2 is also valid. So, 0 to 1 by 2 lies between minus 1 to 1 only. Therefore, this result is valid for the interval 0 to 1 by 2 also. Now, apply this interval 0 to 1 by 2. This is 1 dx less than or equal to 0 to 1 by 2, 1 upon root of 1 minus x power 2n less than or equal to 0 to 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So, I applied this. Okay. Now, let us calculate the solution. So, this is what for 1 it is a x upper limit and lower limit less than or equal to your function less than or equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to how much? Sin inverse of x. Upper limit, lower limit. So, this value is how much? Sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 means 30. This is equal to pi by 6. So, this value is upper limit 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 less than or equal to your function less than or equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6. Understand this? Okay. Right. So, this is a very, very nice problem. So, to solve, but to do this problem, so surely you have to remember this result. You have to remember your must and should you have to remember that result. Okay. So, you have to create that result. We can create that result. Okay. Right. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, here there is a integration is there. Prove that integral 0 to 1 under square root of 1 plus x into 1 plus x cube dx cannot exceed root of 15 by 8. That means this is your maximum value. So, that this function, this is the maximum value that we have to prove. For this, we have our result. We have the result just now in the yesterday's class I explained. So, what the result is? So, that is we have integral 0 to 1 under square root of 1 plus x into 1 plus x cube dx is less than or equal to square root of integral 0 to 1 plus x dx into 0 to 1 plus x cube dx. This is the result we have. So, integral 0 to 1 root of 1 plus x, 1 plus, that means this 0 to 1 will separate for both the powers, both the roots it will be separate. Of course, sorry, so this is a root of, so this is root of separation will be there. Okay, now let us try to find out that square root value. So, this is equal to under square root of, so this is equal to, right. So, this is for x plus this is x square by 2 upper limit and lower limit. So, this is a x plus this is x power 4 by 4 upper limit lower limit. Okay, now. So, let us try to find the answer, that is equal to root of upper limit 1 plus 1 by 2, this is equal to 3 by 2 into. So, this is also upper limit 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4. This is less than or equal to under square root of 15 by 8. Under square root of 15 by 8. Now, what do you observe here? So, the value of this is less than or equal to root of 15 by 8. Less than or equal to root of 15 by 8 means this is the maximum bound. Maximum bound is root of 15 by 8. Therefore, this value cannot exceed root of 15 by 8. Okay. So, that will the maximum value will be this. Okay. Right. I hope that if you know this property, the problem will be very, very easy. Okay. Right. Let us see the next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, very, very important problem. So, this is a very, very important model. Estimate the absolute value of the integral 10 to 19 sin x upon 1 plus x power 8 dx. Then how to do this problem? Absolute value we want. That means this is modulus value. What is the estimate? Estimate, you have to find out the modulus of 10 to 19, integral of 10 to 19 sin x upon 1 plus x power 8 dx. Then how to find out? Now, we have to create an inequality basing on the sin x by 1 plus x power 8. The first thing, whenever sin x came, we know that modulus of sin x is less than or equal to 1. That means sin x lies between -1 and +1. Okay now. So next I will do this 1 modulus of sin x by 1 plus x power 8 is less than or equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 8. Nothing wrong in it. Why? Because here your x value lies between 10 to 19, since x belongs to 10 to 19. So 10 to 19 is a positive quantity. 10 to 19 is a positive quantity. So that's why I am dividing with both sides with positive quantity, means inequality never changes. If it is a negative quantity, definitely it will change. You call it as inequality number 1. Afterwards, we know we can have one result. What the result is? So here see the result. The result is, we can create another result, that is 1 plus x power 8 is greater than x power 8 is greater than or equal to 10 power 8 is greater than or equal to 10 power 8 for all x belongs to 10 to 19. See here how can this be created? Put x is equal to 1 or anything. So if you put 1 is x is equal to 1 here, x belongs to 10 to 19, x belongs to 10 to 19 only, sorry, not 1, 10 to 19. So if you put 10, x belongs to 10, so 1 plus 10 power 8 is greater than 10 power 8 is greater than or equal to 10 power 8. Okay now, if you put 11, 1 plus 11 power 8 is greater than 11 power 8 is greater than or equal to 10 power 8. So 11 power 8 is greater than or equal to 10 power 8. Okay now, so very nice result we have this. Now what about their reciprocals? This is a reciprocal is equal to automatically 1 by 1 plus x power 8 less than 1 by x power 8 is less than 1 by 10 power 8. Okay now, right. Observe here. This modulus of sin x by 1 plus x power 8 is less than or equal to 1 by 1 plus x power 8. Again 1 by 1 plus x power 8 is less than 1 by 10 power 8. 1 by 10 power 8. So you call it as second result. Okay, you call it as second result. That is equal to modulus of, you can remove the modulus for numerator, nothing wrong in it. So that is equal to sin x by 1 plus x power 8. You can remove the modulus, nothing, why? Because it is a positive quantity only. If it is x belongs to 10 to 19, it is a positive quantity only. So this is equal to 1 by 10 power 8. So this is the sin x is 1 by 1 plus x power 8 is, sorry, here less than or equal to. Okay now. So now almost we came to an end. So sin x by 1 plus x power is less than or equal to 8 means what? This is the absolute maximum. So this is capital M. So we are not discussing about what is there here. We are concentrating on this. So this is your absolute maximum. That is capital M. This whatever may be the quantity, sin x by 1 plus x power 8 is less than or equal to 1 by 10 power 8 means. So what is that? Is the absolute maximum, and this value lies between 10 to 90. Okay na? So this value 1 by 10 power 8 will be the maximum value of this function. Now we have the result. What the result we have? When you are applying from 10 to 19, integration 10 to 19, integral 10 to 19 sin x upon 1 plus x power 8 dx. Okay, integral 10 to 19 sin x upon 1 plus x power 8 dx is less than or equal to, okay, what? Big rectangle, remember that means this absolute value, that is 1 by 10, that means capital M into b minus a we am writing. Capital M into b minus a we have to write down. So remember the result which I taught yesterday. that is capital M, that means 1 by 10 power 8, that is absolute maxima, into B minus A. B is how much? 19 minus 10. Understand this? So this is a less than or equal to 19 minus 10 into 1 by 10 power 8. 19 minus 10 is how much? 9 into 1 by 10 power 8. This 9 can I write down 10 minus 1, 1 by 10 power 8? Yes, I can write down. Now you separate. So this is equal to, so this is 1 by 10 power 7 minus 1 by 10 power 8. Okay, now this value is still, so observe here, so this is equal to, this value is less than or equal to 1 by 10 power 7. Why? Because 1 by 10 power 7 minus 1 by 10 power 8, this value is less than 1 by 10 power 7. On the whole, what you got? Integral 10 to 19 sin x by 1 plus x power 8 dx is less than or equal to 1 by 10 power 7. Okay, now coming to your absolute value. So when you are saying the absolute value, so your 10, whatever may be the value, that should be 1 by 10 power 7 should be there. That means this is equal to 10 power minus 7. So your answer should be 10 power minus 8. That means the value something less than 10 power minus 7 value is 10 power minus 8. So your absolute value, that means which lies between this value we don't know, this value less than or equal to 10 power minus 7, the value, whatever may be the value that lies between, your answer should be 10 power minus 8. So very nice problem. This is a very result oriented problem. The only thing is you remember this result. Afterwards we will apply the property. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So dear students, welcome to the very small problem. So here there are two integrals are there, I1 and I2. So I1 is integral 0 to 1 upon mod x dx, and I2 is integral 0 to 1 by root of 1 plus x square dx is there. Then what is the relation between I1 and I2? That means I1 is equal to I2, or I1 less than I2, or I1 greater than I2. So what is the relation between I1 and I2? Then how to solve this type of problem? See here, integrand here and here. See the integrands here. Here 1 by mod x, there 1 by root of 1 plus x square. As we know the result, we know one result. What is that? Mod x is always less than root of 1 plus x square. You substitute any value, If you substitute 0 less than root 1. If you substitute 1 is less than root of 2. 1 is less than root 2. Substitute 3, root 3, that is equal to 1 plus 3 square 9, 1 plus 9, root 10. Root 10 means something 3 point something, okay, now like that. So we know this result, modulus of x is less than root of 1 plus x square. Such a type of relations you should frame. So this nobody will teach you. So by seeing these results, by seeing these things, that you have to automatically get the idea. Okay. So how you will get this idea means by practice. If you do the number of problems, automatically that idea will strike. So it means we have to get a relation between mod x and root of 1 plus x square, which is greater, which is lesser. We can easily tell. So from this 1 by mod x is greater than 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Apply the 0 to 1 dx, 0 to 1 dx. So this is I1 greater than I2. So I1 greater than I2 is your right answer. Okay. The only thing is just framing this result, knowing that result. So how we will get the result? By seeing this integrands. Okay, na? Right. I hope that you enjoyed today's class. So with some more problems, and I will come tomorrow. Until then, all the best.